Dumelang, Sanbonani. I hope you guys are good. I'm good, guys. All right. Today we are talking about the cross-border employment arrangement and who has jurisdiction over it, right? Over that. Okay. Welcome to the platform. My name is Devos Kosana, and this is the labor relations guide platform. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, comment. Please. Especially remember to subscribe to become a member to the platform. All right, let's get to it. South Africa, cross-border employment arrangements. Who has jurisdiction, right? All right, let's go through it. Cross-border employment arrangements are commonplace as human mobility, technology, and globalization have become more fluid. This engagement can often result in an employee being present and performing services in one country whilst the employer is present in a different country. Further complexities arise when an